friends, welcome back to Aliya Gupta. Today I am here to discuss the topics ray diagrams by concave mirrors. In the first case, we are taking object on at infinity. Suppose this is a concave mirror. I have a concave mirror like this. Now, this is the principal axis. This is a ray of light. This is center of curvature and this is the focus. This is a ray of light, parallel beam of light, sorry. Now, when it strikes the mirror surface, this gets reflected and meets at the principal focus. So after reflection, this will have the principal focus. So the image formed is real, inverted, at focus, and highly diminished, point sized. So this is the nature of the image, real, inverted. This is where the image is formed at focus. And this is the size, highly diminished and point sized. So this is where object is placed at infinity. In the next case, we will be taking object at principal focus. If I have a concave mirror like this, this is a principal axis, this is the center of curvature, this is the principal focus. Now here is an object, this ray goes like this ray, this is the incident ray, and when it strikes the mirror surface, it passes through the center of curvature. Now, next, this is the pole. Now, next ray will be striking the pole, and then it would be reflecting back. Now, the resulting rays are parallel to each other. This ray goes in this direction, and this ray goes in this direction. So, if you see, these two rays are parallel to each other. So, the image, these meet at infinity. So, the image formed is real, inverted, enlarged, highly enlarged. And formed at infinity. So this is when object is placed at principal focus. In the next case, we will be taking object at center of curvature. Object at C. If this is a concave mirror, this is the principal axis. This is the center of curvature, this is the pole, and this is the principal focus. If this is an object, Now, this is a ray of light. This is incident ray, and then it passes through the focus, principal focus. So, this ray goes like this, in this direction. Next, another ray passes from the focus. Here is the principal focus, and then it meets. Then after reflection, the two rays meet at this point, and here the image is formed. Now this ray goes in this direction and this ray goes in this direction. So the image, so here it is, the ray is made after reflection. So the image formed is real, inverted, of same size as the object, and it is also formed at C, at center of curvature. So this is when object is placed at the center of curvature. In the next case, we will be taking object placed between C and F. Object between C and F. Now, if I have a concave mirror like this, this is the principal axis. This is the principal axis. Now, and here is the center of curvature. This is the principal focus. So here I am placing an object. So here is a ray of light. This is an incident ray, and then it gets reflected in this way. Now, because I am saying object is placed between C and F, so a ray passing from C and passing from the object strikes the mirror surface and retraces its path after reflection. So, after reflection, if we produce the reflected ray backwards, then here they both intersect each other. You see. So here the image is formed. So here they retrace their path and here they go in this direction. Now the image formed is real, inverted. It is formed beyond C and it is formed enlarged. So this is when object is placed between C and F. In the next case, we will be taking object placed beyond C. C. So, if I have a concave mirror like this, here is the principal axis. Here is the principal axis. Here is the center of curvature, and here is the principal focus. If I am placing an object here because it is beyond C, this is the incident ray, and this is the reflected ray. Now, because the name is beyond C, then we will pass a ray from the center of curvature. Like it will go like this, travel the. So this ray retraces its path after reflection. So these two reflected rays make this image. So the image formed is real, inverted, between C and F, and diminished. So this is when an object is placed beyond last case. We will be taking object placed between the pole and the principal focus. So, if I have a concave mirror like this, this is the if this is the principal axis, this is the center of curvature, this is the principal focus, and this is the pole. This is an object. Now, this is the incident. This is an incident ray, and this gets reflected in this path. Next, we pass a ray from the center of curvature like this. The ray goes like this. This is the object. The ray goes like this. The ray goes like this. So if this ray retraces its path after reflection, and this ray goes like this. Now, after reflection, this ray and this ray meet at this point behind the mirror. So, the image formed is virtual because the image is formed behind the mirror. Erect because the image is straight. Enlarged and the image is formed behind the mirror. So, this was all, an object is between P and F. So that was all for today's lecture. Please keep liking, keep subscribing, and keep suggesting how can I make the video better. Also, press the bell icon to get the latest updates for the video I am uploading. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you later.